Alright guys, so I forgot to put this in. You can see that. And I'm going to show you guys the code. So it threw a, show you guys this. It threw a evap system leak detected, large leak. And when I was gassing up yesterday, I just punched it in, threw it in there. And so I'm gonna go ahead and seal this tight. Apparently, Subaru said that there's a sensor right around here where it detects that. So all I gotta do is just turn off the car and then return it back on. I'm reversing. Ooh, gotta watch out, Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the car. Take this off. Okay. And then plug this thing back in. Oh, okay, let me start the car. I end up have to reset this ECU. Hang on. Alright guys, I resetted the ECU. Go ahead. And we are gonna go. Let's see here. Alright. Check out my fuel pressure, guys. Yeah, everything's fine now. Cool. Just want to share you guys. I did find on the forums too on Nasioc that people were saying there was the gas cap as well. So something to think about. Make sure your gas cap is tight. If there's a tear, make sure you take it to the Subaru dealership.